Next, click on the Games tab to see a number of games, all of which correspond to the content of the lessons. Here you can both learn Norwegian and have some fun. The Lingua Sunrise course is designed for students who are just beginning their adventure with Norwegian. At present, there are no online courses like it. None of those that are available can offer you so many features and tools as the Lingua Sunrise course. They are all here, just one click away, waiting for you to discover them. We wish you good luck and hope you join us.